हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार. श्री रसायन देवो नमः. आई देवांग प्रजापति फ्रॉम उपनिषद साइंस एकेडमी लिमखेड़ा से. दोस्तों, आज रोज दोस्तों हम स्टैंडर्ड 12th इंग्लिश मीडियम के अंदर जो चैप्टर है हमारा, जिसका नाम है ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, सम बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स एंड टेक्निक्स, उसके अंदर दोस्तों वीडियो नंबर 5 देखने जा रहे हैं कि जिसमें आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन कंपाउंड्स के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. क्लास 11 इंग्लिश मीडियम केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. The name of the chapter is Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Upanishad Science Academy, Rajkot and Limkheda, we have two different branches. From there, I, Devang Prajapati, from last 8 years, I am teaching the chemistry subject. Now, what topic we are going to discuss in this session? The topic is 12.5.4 Nomenclature of Substituted Benzene Compounds. Now, before starting the session, the students who are new in this channel, subscribe the channel. Beside of the subscribe button, you will be having the bell icon. Press it and select all options so that you can receive the latest notification. So let's get started. The nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. For IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds, the substituent is placed as prefix to the word benzene, as shown in the following examples. However, common names, which is written in the bracket below, I will be writing it in the bracket, of many substituted benzene compounds are also universally accepted by the IUPAC committee. Means there are so many common names which are too much famous, okay, which IUPAC committee has accepted as an IUPAC nomenclature itself. Okay, so let's discuss it one by one. The few examples of it we'll be seeing one by one. The first one, benzene ring CH3. The IUPAC nomenclature is the CH3 means methyl. And then this benzene ring, so it is benzene. So methyl benzene is the IUPAC nomenclature, whereas the common name is toluene. Benzene ring, top CH3, it is a toluene. Second structure, benzene ring O, and Me stands for CH3, that is methyl. Okay, so IUPAC nomenclature, this one is the methoxy. And then benzene ring, so methoxy benzene. Whereas the common name is anisole. Okay. Benzene ring, top NH2. First of all, IUPAC nomenclature, NH2 stands for amino. And then benzene. So aminobenzene is the sorry, IUPAC nomenclature, whereas the common name is aniline. After that we have nitrobenzene. Okay. Then the next one is bromobenzene. Okay. Then suppose here instead of bromine, if chlorine is there, then it would be chlorobenzene. Then iodine is there, then it would be iodobenzene. Okay, likewise you can give the nomenclature of halobenzene. X is the halogen. In halogen you have fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo. Okay. Then if a benzene ring is disubstituted, means if two functional groups or two same functional groups or two different functional groups are present, means two times in benzene ring, then the position of the substituent is defined by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring such a way that the substituents are located at the lowest number. Okay, so minimum number should be given. These already we are aware. So let us take the few example of it. The first one, the 1 and 2 position, you will be having the bromine. So you can give the name 1, 2, 2 times, so it is di. Then functional group is bromo and benzene. Okay. See here, this 1 and 2 position is also called as an ortho position. In common name, which is denoted by small o. So you can also write ortho two times, so it is di, and then bromobenzene. But this is the common name. Okay. Then let's take the second example. First IUPAC 1 and 3. Di, bromo, benzene. 1,3-dibromobenzene. Then whereas the common name 1 and 3 position is called meta, which is represented by small m. So you can write the name meta di bromo benzene. But this is again once again the common nomenclature. Okay. Then the third example. First IUPAC So 1 4 di bromo benzene. Then the 1 and 4 position is called para position, which is represented by small p. So we will write the common name para di bromo benzene. Okay, so this is what the IUPAC as well as the common nomenclature of disubstituted benzene. Okay, so ortho is for 1-2 position, meta is for 1-3 position, whereas para is for 1-4 position. Okay, so this is what the common nomenclature, ortho, meta and para. Okay, now for tri or higher substituted benzene derivatives, these prefixes cannot be used. Which prefixes? Ortho, para and meta will not be used. Okay, and the compounds are named by identifying the substituent position on the ring by following the lowest locant rule. In some cases, common name of benzene derivative is taken as the base compound. Substituent of the base compound which we have taken is assigned as a number 1 carbon atom, and then the direction of numbering is chosen in such a way that the next substituent gets the lowest number. Okay, this already see in the common and IUPAC nomenclature, we have done it already. Then the substituents appear in the name in the alphabetical order. Some of the examples for these all will be taking it. The first one, the number 1, you see the basic compound, it was the chlorobenzene. So the first one will be given from here. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Okay, so we'll be writing the 1 chloro, on 2 position and on 4 position 2 times, so it is di. The functional group is nitro and then benzene. Okay, so 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. Okay, then the next one, the numbering will be given from here. Why? Because methyl is the main compound. Okay, CH3 and benzene ring, that is toluene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the name will be given alphabetical order, we have to arrange it. So chlorine will come first, 2 chloro, then methyl, 1 methyl, and then 4 nitro benzene. Okay, After that, we have few more example. Here already the numbering it has been given. This is CH3, that is methyl. Okay, so the main compound it is anisole. Benzene ring OCH3 is anisole. So the first number it has been given to this only. Okay, then on 2 number you have chloro. So 2 chloro. On 4 number you have methyl and then anisole. Okay, still one more. The main structure is of aniline, so the 1 number is given to the NH2 only. So 2 number methyl and 4 number ethyl. So ethyl is coming front alphabetically. So 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, aniline. Okay, then still one more. The main compound is the phenol, 3 number methyl, 4 number methyl. So we can write 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. Okay, now when a benzene ring is attached to an alkane with a functional group, it is considered as substituted instead of a parent carbon. Then the name for benzene as a substituent is phenyl C6H5, also abbreviated as a PH. You can write in short PH also. Okay, that's all. We'll be keeping it till here. Any doubts are there in this, then you can comment it in the comment section. If you like the video, then press the like button. Even I do have the Telegram channel. In that also you can join it. Now how to join it? So for the joining, there is a link in the description box of this video. So you can go to that and you can join it. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.